morning. So today is Friday and Habibu went diving and I'm still wearing the same clothes because I slept with it. So, yep, malinis naman siya. Anyway, today's December 2 and I don't know kung anong magiging ganap namin, but I will try to make some stuff, or I think we're gonna put up the Christmas tree today because we're not able to do that yesterday. So, yep, that's one thing. And for now, I just need to do some cleaning and laundry again. So, every boy asked me to laminate this one. I think he needed this for diving. So, yep. Hindi perfect yung cut, but it's fine. Push. Bebe boy, what is this for?
It's Papa's it's Papa's diving thing.
For Papa or for you?
Papa.
Oh, okay. So he is the one who cut it, who cut it and stick it?
Yeah.
Ano pala,
No,
ano?
I was the one who stick it. He was the one who cut it.
Okay. Kaya medyo mali-mali siya ng very slight. Kasi sa pagdikit mo hindi pantay, baby. But when you stick it, you make sure the numberings are perfect. Magkakasunod. Okay, so bumalik na mula sa oras si Habibu. I think there's some issue dun sa diving niya. Hindi masara. Punong-puno. But, yeah, tinulungan ko siyang mag-unload ng stuff. And, nagpapagawa siya ng kape. So, I'm gonna be using this. It's pink. And I have my picture in there. So, and it says breakfast, so I need in here. It's a gift from Nikki. I cannot lay down. You want me to put this chair here?
No, I cannot sit there. It's painful.
So what do we do? Your back hurts? What did you do, kasi? You carry it like aggressively? Happy babies, good evening. We spent the whole day sleeping again, especially me. Because baby girl wanted to sleep and I think I kind of sleep first before her. So yeah, what I did today is I did a little cleaning and organizing my stuff. I never know that I have a lot of stuff for like the beads, because sometimes I'm thinking of purchasing again on Amazon, and I think I can cover the whole 2 more, what do you call that, fair that is coming. So yeah, I need to finish some of my beads first before purchasing again, because there's too much already. My table is full, and that's what I'm doing right now, decluttering and organizing 2 of my tables, this one and this one. This one, I'm learning French. As you can see, I have a lot of notes right here that you know, are just waiting to be learned. But I have to read that from time to time, because or else I will forget them. And this one, I sorted them out already. I have 1 luggage right there. These are I'm still thinking if I have to let go or not. Yeah, I have 1 full luggage of items already. And I have these loom bands that I wanted to do, but I just don't have time, you know. So I'm just maybe gonna sell it. It's already sealed. I mean, it's still sealed, not already. But yeah, so far, so good. Baby girl is right here, very busy. Very young, very. And I put out my fish already kasi I wanted to cook adobong sitaw and eto, milk fish for tonight. So, I was thinking if I'm gonna, you know, what do you call that? Put the Christmas tree here or in our living room. So, I don't know. I wanted it here so that when I'm doing live or something, it's popping out in there with the lights and stuff. But I also wanted to put it there in our living area where we always sit and hang out. So I'm kind of torn. Anyway, I have this Lalagyan natin ng suka. This is my snack for tonight while waiting for my fish to be thawed para makapagluto na. So this time, I'm gonna be making blueberry muffin for a change from the banana muffin that I always make. So yeah, I use brown sugar. And I'm just gonna mix this and show you after. The blueberries are huge. Alpha? I'm done mixing it up. Look at the blueberries. They are huge. I just got them from Carrefour for only 2 dirhams. So, yep, not bad.
Jennifer's toy box?
Yes, please. There you go. Just put it in the muffin. Pardon me if sometimes I totally forgot that I'm vlogging. Nakakalimutan ko, especially when I'm watching and doing some stuff at the same time. For example, like this, I'm cooking. So, yeah, I'm watching Tony Talks of Vlogs. And let's try the muffin. Masarap, anak?
It's hot.
Ang init. Kasi yung niya, yung blueberry niya. Yun yung uminit ng bongga. Wow. It's so good. Yummy. That's it, baby. We just finished eating. And this is what I'm doing right now. I'm putting them in a cardboard. You're writing your name? Kulang, babe.
None of them are not working.
It's not working anymore?
Yeah.
No more marker? How about the blue one there on the floor? You check it. There.
I did it already.
It's not working also? It's not working?
Exact, did it.
Okay. So it's just something like that.
Oh, pizza.
What's that?
Oh, pizza. I'm gonna eat you.
Oh my gosh. Don't
It's
eat
just a
me.
razor.
Ay,
Just
ang
a
sikip ng...
razor from this.
Oh, okay. Ang sikip ng bradoodles ko. You try to erase the one there in the board. But I'm not sure. I'm asking your opinion. Where do we put the Christmas tree? Because I wanted to put it up today. But still, I am half-hearted where to put it. Here or there. So, wala. Hanggang sa natulog na lang kami talaga eh. And baby girl, I'm done with the key rings. I mean the phone chains.
My emoji.
What emoji?
Emoji. Emoji.
Emoji.
This is just. See.
There you go. I put these cards in it. Hi babies, just a quick update. Finally, I was able to put the kids to sleep. It took me too long. I don't want to sleep because we had a long nap this afternoon. It was my fault because I let them sleep in the afternoon, but it's still a good, thing because at least they get to rest. And Habibu is already sleeping as well. He is snoring because he take 2 medicine like a painkiller, and that makes him, doze off. Like, I think it's that strong. That's why he slept early today. It's almost like 11. But usually he sleeps after 12 or 1. I still have a lot of things to do. See? My tiklutin are waiting for me. But yeah, at least I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna do some quick writing. And that's it. I'm gonna end this vlog. I don't have much to share. I was not able to put up the Christmas tree. But yeah, I don't know what I'm waiting. Just the idea. I'm thinking of putting it here beside the TV or in the majlis where my ukay stuff are. I'm half-hearted. I wanted to put it here, but I wanted to put there as well. And we don't have 2 trays, so I'm torn. Anyway, that is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again tomorrow. I need to wake up early for Baby Boy's training at 6:30. So yeah, I already have them changed, especially Baby Girl, so I just grab her because for sure Habibu will be sleeping way more than, I mean, the usual, because he is under medication. But yeah, that is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again tomorrow. Good night, babies. I love you so much. Mwah. Thanks for watching.